In this video, we'll be modeling spindles and handle for our mechanical lathe. As usual, open a new part and select the work plane as we'll draw a sketch. Let's start with the length. Add the measure of 107 millimeters. Then add the measure of 8 millimeters as radius, 17 millimeters on length, and so on until finishing the geometry. At this part, there will be a 118 degrees angulation, which is a standard for holes. So that part will be drawn and will have a measure bigger than 107 millimeters. Now that we've created our sketch, we'll select the revolve command and create the part. Following that, we'll create the hole and we'll position our handle. So we'll need to select the work plan XZ and select the arc circle tool. With the relative point active, we'll indicate the circle's position, and when it's in the right place, we'll remove the material with the extrude tool. Now we're going to select the part's material, and it's finished, right? But will we draw the second spindle from scratch? Of course not. As they're very similar, we'll simplify things. First, open the spindle we just created, and on the File tab, save it as a second file, like a copy of it. Remember to rename the file so you don't overwrite the other part, all right? It'll be opened automatically right away. Okay, so now we'll select the first sketch and erase those lines right on the tip. Then the corner break with 0.5 millimeters. Click on Finish, and that's it. Pretty simple, right? Now that we have both handles, we're moving on to the last part of the video, the handle. I promise it's as easy as pie. Open a new part and select the work plane and the arc circle tool. We'll draw a circle with a radius of 3 millimeters and a length of 75 millimeters using the extrude tool. Now we'll round the part's material using the fillet tool, adding a rounding radius of 2.5 millimeters. Last but not least, we'll change the part's material to carbon steel. And that's it. See how easy that was? If you have any doubts about the parts, you can comment below and we'll get right back to you. And if you haven't downloaded our software yet, you can access it on the video's description. Well guys, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe, click the notification bell to receive our alerts for our weekly training videos.